friends, after too many years and too many victims, I believe we have reached an agreement that will put an end to the senseless conflict between you. The UN will guarantee the defense of the pigs from any aerial attack, while the birds will get most of their eggs back.
Say what? Say what? Fuck off!
Friends, please put the anger behind you. Friends, put the anger behind you. Please.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Gentlemen, please, let's not spoil the historic moment. Please.
Say what? Fuck off! Say what?
Friends, please put the anger behind you. Come on, we are expected at the upper land for the ceremony. Please. Gentlemen, please.
Stand here, please.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
There's no group of extremists. Hello, get me on the first flight to Finland. These people are insane. Business class, of course.